Hey guys, just got off work. Let's go to the shop. I want to make a big bowl today. Let's cut it up, guys. Now this is gonna be a big bowl. Alright. Hey guys, kind of embarrassing. I didn't have any measuring tools today. I think I might have made this bowl a little bit too big. It's huge. I put my protractor on the lathe bed, put it up towards the middle of this, this M33 screw on the lathe, and then just a little shorter than that. And this bowl blank was quite a bit too big, basically all the way around. A few points where it was on the money, but basically it was all the way around a little bit too big. Back out to the chainsaw. Alright, second attempt was a success. Pretty good with that. It's huge, guys. And it has this out cut that I think I might leave a part of this as a decorative piece in the bowl. Whoa, that took long. Just finished hollowing the bowl. Alright, see ya.